We are a professional enterprise specializing in the research and manufacturing of freeze-drying machines. With 20 years of industry experience, we have developed 8 sub-series of lyophilizer covering various fields such as food, health supplements, and cosmetics. Our freeze-drying equipment are exported to over 80 countries and have obtained international certifications, meeting the standards of different countries. Our freeze dryer have several core advantages. Compact design reduces heat loss. Large models are equipped with a triple refrigeration system and an independent freezer, and vibration-free freezing ensures the integrity of the materials. Steam condensers and optimized vacuum systems improve efficiency and extend equipment lifespan. Multi-heating systems are compatible with various heat sources, and single-track conveying enhances loading efficiency. Multiple material trays comply with FDA standards. We have modern workshops, rapid delivery capabilities, and a complete quality control system. We provide global services and customized solutions. The freeze-drying machines has a 2-year warranty, and the chamber has a 30-year lifespan, helping customers achieve efficient production.